junk. Hello! The doctor is doing some repairs today. You don't need this stinking dash cover. Why is this blazer, gas blazer? Why does it have diesel lamps? I don't know. Hello! In here is a wire for a diesel. Doesn't make any sense, but what the doctor is doing is making the switch work. He adjusted the switch. It's under the dimmer switch. There's the ignition switch. This is the lock. Look. This is the dimmer. And the switch pulls. The rod pulls, see? Off, on, pulls, and if you adjust it, so when you tell them the key, we don't have no stinking key. It starts. And the doctor fixed the dash lamps and even put the high beam little holes so you could tell when the high beam's around during the day. GM didn't think so much. He changed the clock with the dirty hands, doesn't keep very good time. He put another clock and this one goes tick-tock. It's a noisy one from a different company. Look, the second hand has a little square at the end, like a Q-tip. Don't put them in your ears. Has a little adjuster, and everything is all in a million pieces. Extra junk light bulbs, sockets, Craftsman made in USA. The doctor puts a louder turn signal. The good factory sound. Yeah, it's very good. Soon he's going to fix the emergency brake. Doesn't work, but the light works. The doctor fixes everything. High beams. Next, maybe he's going to change, put an ignition switch with a key. We don't need no stinking key. I go to buy the T-Rex. The guy says, key? I don't have no stinking key.
Don't judge me. What are you doing?
Hello! You're going to jail. Me too, thank you.